Morningstar G2 cordless blind is a great addition to any home. The Morningstar is a light filtering 1-inch vinyl mini blind available in many colors and features a tilt wand to control light and privacy. Installing the blind is seamless. There are hidden mounting brackets so it can be hung inside or outside the window frame. And you're not sacrificing durability either. It's made with heavyweight PVC which will resist warping, fading, and sagging. The Morningstar has a fashionable headrail for a chic look. Most important, its cordless operation makes it safe around children and pets. Easily adjust the blinds by raising or lowering the handrail. All installation hardware and instructions are included.